Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to create a URL redirect from cPanel. This is our website that we want to redirect to this URL, test.idigitalcam.com. That means when we type idigitalcam.com, it will get redirected to test.idigitalcam.com. Steps to set up a redirect. Log into cPanel. Navigate to Domains and click on Redirects. From the Type drop-down, select the type of redirect you want to set. With Permanent 301, the visitors' bookmarks and direct search engines will get updated to the new site. With Temporary 302, the visitor or search engine will get redirected but will not update the bookmark, and search engines will continue to index to the original page. Select your domain from this drop-down. Here we have selected idigitalcam.com. For redirecting a single page or directory, type the name of the folder or file in this text box. Here we are not including any page or directory, so we have left this field blank. In the Redirects to field, enter the complete URL of the page to which you want to redirect. From the redirection, select any one option. Only redirect with www. Will redirect only the visitors that enter www. As a part of the URL. Redirect with or without www. Will redirect all the visitors whether they use www. or not. Do not redirect www. Will not redirect visitors using www. as a part of the URL. Click on Add. Now browse idigitalcam.com and you can see it gets redirected to test.idigitalcam.com. Steps to select wildcard redirect. On the same redirect page, fill all the details in the given fields like we have mentioned in the previous section. Here, we have not selected the wildcard redirect option. So, when we browse idigitalcam.com/about, our web page will look like this. Now, select the wildcard redirect option and click on Add. After browsing idigitalcam.com/about, the page will redirect it to test.idigitalcam.com/about. In this way, you can create a URL redirect from cPanel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.